Hello everyone, I'd like to thank everyone at Lablab.ai for bringing us together and giving us the opportunity to work with new technologies and make this new product InvestogAId. We are a diverse group of AI enthusiasts. Each of us is the type of person to happily invest a weekend to spend more time with these exciting new technologies. So those are the people, but what need is InvestogAId the answer to? People need a reliable way to make sure they can afford to live well and feed their families. In the current uncertain climate, people need access to trading strategies if they choose to use the stock market as a source of income. Don't know how to invest your money? InvestogAId can tell you. InvestogAId backtests in-video trading strategies on the live market and displays its overall performance so you can choose the best strategy for you. So we started with 6 people from 4 different countries. We had a lot of good ideas and we needed a way to pick the ones that would work the best within the time constraints of this project. To do this, we used a mirror whiteboard for an ideation, not bad ideas at this point. We worked together to move our ideas to their respective points on the importance satisfaction chart, and once our idea was selected, it was time to get some idea of what needed to be done to make it a reality. So, the idea designing. The original idea was centered around strategies that relied mostly on pattern recognition and not natural language processing. So we focused our strategies on statistical equations instead, and we got the final idea. So this is the architecture of our project that starts with the user submitting a YouTube URL that is downloaded and processed by OpenAI's Whisper model to get a transcript of the video. This output is then taken by GPT-3 to make a step-by-step pseudocode of the trading strategy and then transform it into a Python script. Live data from the stock market is downloaded at the same time, and freshly baked script is then run using this data to show the performance of the strategy. Here is a video of how the product works.
Hey guys, my name's Nick from Team Blue, and this is our MVP for the OpenAI Whisper Hackathon. It's InvestogAId. And I'm going to just walk you through the problem this solves for a regular user. So as a regular user, let's say I have some spare cash lying around and I want to invest it in a trading strategy. So what I might do is I might click on trading strategy in YouTube and probably look at the most popular video. And I would try and watch this video from start to finish and to understand what this person is telling me in terms of their strategy. And then I would probably spend a few hours or days even trying to implement it. So what our product does is condense the ability to watch a video and implement a coded implementation from days to seconds. And I'll show you exactly how that works. So if I take a video, and this is just an example video based on a MACD strategy, it's a common trading strategy. And if I put this into our application, what our application does is it uses Whisper and GPT-3 to not only summarize the key points of the strategy, but it also gives us a coded implementation based on how the individual described this strategy. And I can also apply this to some price data, and we choose Bitcoin because it's a common cryptocurrency. And you can see that as Bitcoin has traded down, we can actually see a summary of our performance. So we could actually see we didn't make any buy orders, which is great because the price is trending down, but we made 31 sell orders, and that generated a gain of 20%. So for me as a user, I know I didn't have to watch that video, but I now have a coded implementation and I understand this is a good strategy.
So what's next? Later versions will be better equipped to deal with pattern analysis and ready to be tested in many more markets. The user interface, while very easy to use and very user-friendly, is currently very rudimentary, and there is lots of room for growth. And finally, how will this make enough money to support itself? We feel a subscription model more than sufficient for this type of service. Eventually, InvestogAId will be able to tell you why and when you need to buy or sell. Thanks again to the guys at Lablab.ai. We hope you liked what we have come up with and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.